Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be looking at website speed test. So pretty much just looking at different areas on how to test the performance and functionality of a website. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So you may have built your website and you're probably experiencing some sort of problems with your performance, or maybe you're just looking to test out the website speed. Now, with the website speed test, it's pretty much a process of measuring the loading speed of a website or the web page. Now, it pretty much helps the website owners identify the areas that need improvement in order to make their website faster and provide a better user experience to their visitors. Now, there are several factors that affect website speed, and this could be the image sizes, which need to be optimized, and then you have videos, so it could be a ton of videos that you may not necessarily need, and that greatly affects the actual website itself. If you are creating a website from scratch, now if you're using Visual Code or you're using WordPress as well, of course you're going to have some HTML and CSS, JavaScript sort of coding behind it and some design. That could be another factor as well. If you have a mass amount of code, you may want to reduce that to maybe a couple of lines of code instead of having like tons and like paragraphs of code. So that would be another key to it. Now, website speeds are typically conducted using online tools that provide a comprehensive analysis of a website speed. Now, along with the recommendations for improvement, these tools may test the website's loading time, the page size, number of requests, and other factors that affect website speed. Now, website owners can use the results of these tests to optimize their website's performance by reducing the size of images and videos, minimizing the number of plugins and scripts. Now, that's another one as well, which is make sure you minimize the amount of plugins. Maybe you have too many plugins that you don't need. Maybe if you were migrating a website, of course you would need to use a plugin for that. You may not need that afterwards, so make sure you remove that. And of course, improve the website's code and the design. And doing all this can lead to a faster loading time. It will also lower the bounce rates and better the user experience overall. Now, the first thing I want to cover is the use of website speed tools. Now, you can use free website speeding tools like Google Page Speed Insights. You could use GT Metrics, Pingdom, the web page test as well. So of course, if you do have the URL, so let's just say .profiletree.com. So it'll run that analysis, then pretty much just checks out the report for it. So that's the URL for that. So here we are, we've got a diagnosis of it. So we'll check out the desktop here. Let's run with the original URL. Let me see if I can go ahead and copy and paste the actual URL here. So it takes a couple of minutes, or not even a couple of minutes, just a little second there, just to get it going. Go to the desktop, and then as you can see, there's the website there, and it's at a 82 performance, so that's pretty good for what it is. Of course, it'll show you what the good parts are, what the bad parts are, what needs worked on. So it says does not use passive listeners to improve scrolling performance, so that's one. Serve static assets with an efficient cache policy, so there's 4 resources found. Everything else seems to be okay, so the accessibility is 97. So that's all good as well, and it even pulls out some of the code as well. It checks out the audio and video. The best practices is at 92, so another good one there. And our SEO is 100. That's because we've got a lot of blogs. Everything's basically connected to the search engine, so that's all passed. So it looks good, and then we could check out the mobile version as well. 95 for the audits, now that's okay. We have 92 there, and SEO again is going to be at 100. So that's a great way to check out your site to see if it's doing well. Now another thing as well, you can go ahead and check the inspect tool, and to the right here you can check out the performance. I think you guys could see that, and pretty much if you select on the performance, you'll be able to check the, let's see, if we go to Lighthouse, so this is what I was meant to show, sorry, this is the Lighthouse report. You could check the performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and progressive web app. Now you just analyze that page load. So this is another way to do it. And let's see. So that'll just audit the website, go through everything. As you can see, it's saying Lighthouse is loading the page. So it takes just a couple of seconds there just for the blue bar to fully get up to speed. And as you can see, performance is a little bit different on this one, 31. Accessibility saying it's 95, best practices of 83, SEO still 100, and so everything's still good. Now it'll show you what it's being affected by. So it's saying the opportunities: reduce initial server response time, avoid serving legacy JavaScript to modern browsers, reduce the impact of third-party code. Now some of these aren't really applicable. There's sometimes you can't do much about it. Since this our website was designed from code up, this is, of course, it's going to have some issues, but not major issues by the looks of things. Now accessibility is at 95, which is good. Our best practices at 83, and again our SEO is at 100. So that's some of the ways you could do it. Now another way to do it is to monitor a website uptime and downtime. So this would affect the user experience and it can pretty much harm your business reputation. So you can use website monitoring tools like Uptime Robot, Pingdom, Status Cake to monitor your website's uptime and downtime. These tools can pretty much notify you via email or SMS if your website goes down, and it'll help you quickly resolve the issue. Another way is to check the actual website load time and page size. Now this is it's pretty much key. Check it out yourself. Check out the website load time and page size. See how it affects you as a user, and check it out using the search engine rankings as well. Again, you can use Pingdom or GT metrics to check your website's load time and page size. These tools also provide suggestions to improve the website performance. You can also, as we've mentioned, which is to optimize your images and videos. Large images and videos can slow down your website's loading time, so make sure to optimize those images and videos by compressing them without compromising their quality. So there's like Tiny PNG, Compressor.io, Handbrake to optimize your website's images and videos. Now, regularly testing your website's performance and implementing the necessary improvements can improve the user experience, increase the website traffic, and boost your search engine rankings. Last one is to use Content Delivery Network, so that's CDN. So CDN is pretty much a network of servers that store your website's static files. It could be images, videos, and pretty much delivers them to the users from the closest server to them. Using a CDN can improve your website's loading speed and performance. So folks, that's pretty much the video there. That's everything to discuss about the website speed. Of course, there's multiple ways to do it, as mentioned. Of course, if you guys want to find out more information about this, go ahead and check out our website, ProfileTree.com. There will be some blog articles regarding the website speed. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a comment section below. Let us know how we got on. Anyway, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.